Hi Wyatt, it's Grandpa. I'm sitting in your room. I wanted to show you that your room is nice and clean and we're keeping it just right for you. I went out and took a lot of pictures and some videos of the snow outside. We got a lot of snow and I thought you might like to see how bad it really is. So first I'm going to show you how nice and neat your room looks, just like you left it. And then I'm going to go in the other room and download the rest of the pictures and put them all together for you. Okay? I love you, and Grandma loves you too. We'll say hi to Mommy and Daddy. Love you, Wyatt. Bye-bye. So here is the door to your room. Here's the door marker you gave us. Now let's go inside. There we go. Okay. Here we are, see? Everything's just as it should be. There's the stuffed animals. And there's your toys. And there's your kitchen set. There's your bed. And the decals on the walls. And over here, there's the 12 Days of Christmas that we read together. And here's your trains. There's Thomas and his friend. I even have all those lights are still up. Winnie the Pooh, Tigger. Here we are. And over here, we still have the Christmas tree up. I guess I'll have to put it away at some point. But, so there you go. I'll come over here and you can see everything a little better. There's your little friends over there. Hello. And that's it. Okay. I'm going to go put it together. There I am. Hello. Okay. I'm going to video myself walking out into the yard now, so you get an idea just how deep this snow is. Wow. A lot of snow. Almost lost it. Give you an idea how deep this is. That'll be close to 3 feet, I think, right here. Anyway, it's almost impossible to walk into stuff. I plan to go around front. I don't even know if I can make it, to be honest with you. So this is the big blizzard of 2013. They're saying we have about over 3 feet anyway on the news. Some places are definitely more than that. But so I don't know if you can save me there, if I can get on this, but I guess that gives you an idea just how bad it is. Pretty amazing. Well, as I was saying, we got one humdinger of a storm here. That's the trellis there. It's almost to the top of that fence. So that's over 3 feet for sure. I'm standing by the feeder here. Down there. That feeder's only a couple of feet above ground now. It's supposed to be up about 4 or 5 feet. That's what's showing on the fence. It's just kind of amazing. And here we have a little bird. They're hungry. There's the house. Poor little dog wants out so bad, but I can barely walk out here. So she won't be going anywhere anytime soon. There, made it a little more visible. Not that anybody needs to see it, but oh, here's a path. I don't know if it's visible, but this is what I just trudged through to get here, all the way around to there. Well, we got a ton of birds out there now that I've cleared out. They're all over the place now. A lot of cardinals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was gonna try to go around the side of the house, but I'll never make it. I thought I'd come out the front door, but the front door is buried, and I'll never get out there either. So I'll just take a little video here of the front yard. There's a top of a little well. There's the car and the truck, if you can see them. Totally buried. Wow. And we're kind of like trapped here. Anyway, thought you'd like to see that. Love you guys.